Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on your laptop. First of all, we open the browser and in Google search we type WhatsApp. And then we click on this link. Click download. Let's choose our device. Then open Microsoft Store. And here we click on download. I have the sign open because I already did it. Your WhatsApp will be downloading, and after it you will see the sign. Now click open. Then we need to open WhatsApp on our phone. Take our phone, open WhatsApp, click Settings in the bottom right of the screen. Then we click at this small image of a QR code, and in the bottom of the screen, click Scan. Scan our code, click on Continue, and click Link Device. Now you can open WhatsApp on your laptop. Thanks you guys for watching. Press the like button and don't forget to subscribe.